Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex. So as you guys can see by today's title, I have part 2 of my Sephora Vib Rouge haul. If you have not seen part 1, I'll have it up here linked for you guys so you can go check that out. But this is part 2, and then I also have some PR packages that I got, so I figured I would just show you what I got from Sephora and then also do some PR unboxing. I did get 2 other orders. Question for you guys: do you also stock the site after you make your first purchase? I feel like every day they add something new, so I'm always going on the website and just kind of like looking over, stalking, see what I missed, like what good things they put up. So I stumbled upon some new things, and box number 1, these are so small. What the heck? These are tiny as hell. So I picked up this set of perfume, which I thought was gonna be a lot bigger, especially because these were each $36. I did buy 2 because I wanted to give one as a gift to one of my friends, and then I also wanted one myself, but I spent $36 on each of these. Look how small they are. Look how small this is. My thumb, literally my thumb is bigger than both of these sample size. This is the famous Black Opium. I actually have the bigger one of this, and I wanted just a mini size. It smells really good. It is a dabber. I honestly just got it because I wanted to test out this one. I've never had this scent before. I do absolutely love this one. This is one of my go-to ones, but I wanted to test out this one. But for $36, I will be returning both of them. I like this one. This one smells good. It's not too like florally fruity. Let me show you the full-size one. Hold on. This is the one I have. It's a full-size one. This one retails for $120, while this sample size, like I said, was $36. You can already see the huge size difference. This is just the standard size. They do have 2 that are bigger. They have like a little bit bigger one and then like a super jumbo one. I do like the scent, not gonna lie, but I do like this one a little bit more. Also, another really good scent that I am obsessed with packaging is beautiful, and the scent is just phenomenal, is this one right here. This is the Carolina Herrera. I think that's what it is. It is called Good Girl. Look at the bottle. It is a heel. Do you see this? Let me move out of the way. How beautiful is the packaging? It has the gold heel, and then it's like black over here, but it's blue, and you can't really see, but you can see the perfume. I'm like up to here with it, but it is just beautiful packaging. And then you just spray it over here, you hit it, and then it just like this. See that? Something about this I just absolutely love. They do have different packaging too, and around the holidays they come out with cute little different designs of this. Literally the prettiest perfume I have ever seen. This one is a little bit more expensive. It retails for $122. I usually wear this one just a little bit more than I wear this one, but I absolutely love both of them, so I just kind of rotate between the two. But 10 out of 10. Highly recommend this one and the packaging, and they do have different styles and all of that, like I said, but it's so cute, and it's glass, so it's just beautiful. But anyways, back to what I bought. I picked up 1 sample for this order just because I didn't see other samples that I wanted, and I didn't want to like waste them. But this is the Argan Oil Full Coverage Concealer Fluid. This is it. Item number 2, this is actually a hair product. I did a video where I unboxed a bunch of PR that I got, and Fanola reached out to me and they sent me a bunch of hair care products, and I really am loving one of their hair masks that they sent me. But I did see this on Olaplex. Everybody raves about Olaplex. I personally have never tried them, so this is going to be my first time trying them. But I saw the Olaplex number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask, which is this. And I really want to start getting more moisture into my hair. I know you guys always say that it's silky, and like honestly my hair is pretty silky and healthy, but I want to keep it that way, especially because I have not gotten a haircut in so long. I need to get a haircut. My hair is just way too long. I want to get it like probably like this much cut off, because it's just really long. This retails for $38 plus obviously the 20% off, but it is supposed to moisturize, smooths, adds body and shine to your hair. So I'm gonna see if it works or not. I know some people were saying you're supposed to use other Olaplex products with it, but I'm just gonna test it out like this and hopefully it works. So that is everything that I got from the Sephora sale. I have one more thing, but I'm not gonna do a video on it. It's a Sephora brand like body massager rolly thingy. I'll have it on the screen over here, but like I mentioned in my other video, Sephora is doing 30% off of the Sephora collection, so everything is 30% off. You don't need a coupon. It was super inexpensive and I just wanted like a body roller massage kind of thing. But moving on to Teami, so like I said, Teami sent me a package, which I'm so thankful for. One of the things I actually asked them to send me because I was running out, and another thing they offered if I wanted to test it out because it is a new product, so I said yes. Item number one is their greens, their superfood greens. I have reviewed this before and I did finish an entire tub of these. Actually, I think this might be my third tub actually. I love sweets. You guys should know I love eating unhealthy foods. I love cakes, I love pizza, I love everything that is not good for you. This is honestly the easiest way that I can get my greens in. This is made with matcha, spirulina, and wheatgrass, so this is just their superfood blend. Super easy to incorporate in all your meals. You can have it with just straight water, which kind of hard to take down, but at the same time too, if you're lazy, just, you know, take it down like a shot, be a champ, you just chug it down and that's that. Or you can put it in like smoothies, protein pancakes. There's so many different ways to incorporate this. I do have 2 different coupon codes. Depending how much you spend on their website, you get discounts off of your purchase, so I will have that linked in my description if you guys want to shop. But their new product that they came out with, you guys should know if you've been watching me, I am looking for a good eye cream. Like my under eye area is starting to get drier, so I'm kind of looking for products to help combat that. And what better time for Teami to release a Vita C eye cream. So this is their new product. I really like the packaging from Teami. They have really cute packaging. It's like pink and white, and the texture is also really cool. This is it. Glass jar. And ooh, very moisturizing, that's for sure. I actually am really interested to try this, and I know Teami also uses really clean ingredients that are good for you. This says repairing plus brightening vitamin C cream infused with hibiscus flower. Teami is also cruelty free, and you guys know I love helping you guys find cruelty free brands because testing on animals is not okay. There's no scent to this eye cream, which is good, and it went into my skin really quick. Shout out to Teami. They always make great products, so I am super excited to see what this does to my under eye area. Lastly, another thing that I picked up from Amazon, actually kind of random, but I figured I would include this for you guys. It is this revitalizing 24 karat gold eye mask. So I did try the Wander Beauty one before I got it in a package. I really did like that one, but I wanted something more on the affordable side, so I went to Amazon because Amazon has everything, and this was super highly rated. Everybody loved this, and it was super inexpensive also. I think I paid around $20 for 12 pairs of these eye masks, and this is it. This one says revitalizing 24 karat gold eye mask with nano-active gold, hyaluronic acid, and collagen. Nourishes the skin with nutrients. The skin around the eyes becomes more hydrated and healthier after just a few applications. The active ingredients restores, smooths, and elasticity, solve the problem of dark circles and puffiness under the eyes. It works as an energy drink for delicate skin. It says use 2 to 3 times a week after cleansing and balancing skin. Remove the eye patches from the tray and apply them under the eyes. Leave on for about 20 minutes, then gently remove. Using light pressure, pat remaining essence into skin along the pressure points. So I'm excited to use that. Figured I would mention that if you guys are also on the hunt for under eye masks. This one is good. I can test it out and update you guys if you would like. Again, I will also have the link for these in the description if you guys want to check them out. That is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!